Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching this video right now and you look for the best way how to build an online business from scratch without even having to do a lot of work, you can work between 15 to 30 minutes a day. And I'm going to show you a quick rundown how you can build your lead capture pages for free without even paying zero money. All right? Without even paying zero money. All right? So if this interests in you and you want to learn more about how to get started, then go ahead and click that first. Go ahead and click the red subscribe button. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, this channel is all about how to do affiliate marketing. But in this video today, I'm going to teach you guys step by step to learn how to build a lead capture pages from scratch, and then I want you to just watch me build it from scratch. All right. So we're gonna promote an offer, and then I'm gonna show you how you can build it, and then you can scale it. All right. So without that being said, guys, let's just head over to Leadsleap. All right, guys, Leadsleap is a 100% free traffic sources out there too. But not just only the traffic sources. You basically can build a lead capture pages from this amazing opportunity, and you can promote any type of product, whether it's JVZoo, Digistore24, ClickBank, CJ Affiliates, or any type of affiliate network CPA offer that you want to promote. But just make sure you don't want to spam your links, because that's not the proper way to do affiliate marketing. You want to do it the right way, just by building like lead capture pages and get automated leads and start turning leads into sales. Okay. So the reason why I made this video for a reason is because I want to teach you guys to learn how to build a lead capture page from scratch, and this is why I'm going to show you how you can do it. Now, if you want to get started with this amazing opportunity, you're looking for the best way to build your business, and you want to start making good money, good profits, then this is the right video for you. So here's the thing, guys. You won't get rich overnight. I'll tell you that right now. Only thing I can say that you can make so much money, but that's if you are willing to put 15 to 30 minutes a day of work. Okay, I'm not talking about 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours of work. No, I'm talking about 15 to 30 minutes a day of work. What it means is 15 to 30 minutes a day work means is when you put in work, when you set up your system, get it all up and running, and set it on autopilot, and it does everything on its own. All right. So that means when you set it all up on autopilot, it does everything on its own. So it will probably take between 15 to 30 minutes a day of work to set everything all up. Whether you're picking a product and you want to take that product and you want to build a landing page for it, create a bridge page for it, or a lead capture page for it, then that is the right way to do that. All right. So what you get with this amazing website, they do have free traffic. You can get traffic. You can also get free traffic from here, but they give you, once you sign up for free, you get to have free traffic one good time, and then you just gotta look at other ads so you can get more ad credits. Okay. But if you want to be a pro, it's gonna be $47 a month. All right. So I'm gonna tell you right now, it's gonna be $47 a month, and you can send out unlimited free traffic as a pro member. All right. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna sign up right here. So what you're gonna do, for instance, you're gonna put your username, create a username, have an email address, your first name, and then the password, and then you sign up. All right. So that's how you're gonna do it. Now I'm going to log in to my back office, and I'm going to show you guys what the back office look like and how you can get free traffic as well, but when you become a new member with Leadsleap. All right. So I'm going to log in right now. Okay, this is the back office that you can see right now. This is what you're going to be getting as soon as you sign up as a Leadsleap member. All right, you become a free member, guys. So if I click here, if I go to Page Builder, Page Manager. Hold on one second. Oh, Page Manager. I'm going to show you guys how to build a lead capture page. All right. So these are my lead capture pages, as you can see. These are my lists. Okay. So I'm going to add a new campaign. What you're going to do, guys, you're going to come to. I'm going to show you guys right now. So what you do when you first land on here, you're going to come to Page Builder / Page Manager. You're going to add a campaign, and then we're going to call this test 1. Okay? All right? And then we're going to add it, and then we're going to launch it. All right? So now we get to have full access to this amazing opportunity. So this is we get access to the capture pages. Okay. Now they have so many templates that we can pick, but we can choose a good one that's gonna fit the need that people will see. Okay. So for this one, for instance, we can use this one for this purpose of this video. We could change this up. We could change a little bit of it. So we could change this up a little bit. So we're going to say, okay, let's see something here. Now I made $100. I made $100 instantly. How I made $100 instantly through PayPal. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to change this up a little bit. Then we're going to change it. We're going to say something like, one second, guys. 1 second. All right, just give me 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. But anyway, yeah. So basically, so what you're going to do, we're going to finish. To say, you want to know how you can earn $100 daily, paid directly. Directly to your PayPal. Okay, so now we're gonna change this. Okay, and then we're gonna change it into green. All right, so now, and then the letters, we can change the letters into like green. Let's say, let's do black. Black is good. All right. So this is good though. All right, y'all. So that's how you do it, all right? So this is how you do it. So this is how you build a lead capture page, all right? And then we can change something. We can change this up a little bit. We can bring this down. Okay. Change something like email. Okay. And there we go. Now I have another website that you guys want to take an opportunity in. Called Infinity. So guys, this is List Infinity. So basically, I'm a part of this amazing opportunity. And yes, this amazing opportunity does work, and it'll definitely work for you. But that's if you are willing to take the time to put in money. All right. But it's only gonna cost you like $100. Okay, $100. You can earn between $50 to $100 per day. That's all you can earn. All right. It depends what level you want to come in. But as a free member, you won't get paid as a free member. But as a paid member, you will get paid as a paid member. And we do have the pro, and the pro is $100 plus $25, which is a one-time admin fee. So total together, you will pay me $100, and then plus you will pay the one-time admin fee, which is $25, and the system is yours. So that means you ain't got to pay a monthly fee every month. So that means the system is yours, so you get to keep 100% commissions directly to yourself. Whoever, if that fifth lead decides to join your list, and then they join the upgrade to the pro, you're going to start receiving $100 commission each and every day. All right. So if you want to be a part of this opportunity, go ahead and leave the link in the description. The link in the description is going to be right there for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here, and I'm going to take here, copy, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to send it to opt-in. I'm going to paste it, and then bam, save it. And then we're going to change this. We're going to say, we're going to say, earn my spot today. Earn my spot. Right? And we can change the little button color. We're going to change it into like yellow a little bit. A little beige. Alright, a little beige. Alright. And then we got it, guys. So that's how you do it. Alright. So we're gonna save it. Okay. And then we're gonna exit out of here. Come back to page builder. And then we already have it saved. So now we saved it. And it's our test 1. Alright. So that's our test 1. Alright. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and please give me a thumbs up right now, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn the notification bells on as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, if that interested you guys, then please give your boys some love, all right? Give your boys some love. Show some respect for me. If you like videos like this and you want me to keep making more videos like this, then comment down below and say, hey, I want you to make more videos like this, because this is very interesting, because, you know, I tried to do everything on my own, and I couldn't seem to do it, and I just got tired, and I wanted to quit. I'm gonna tell you something, guys. Don't quit. If you're an affiliate marketer, you're just starting out, don't quit. Don't give up. Keep going. All right? Keep going. Don't quit. You're going to make some money. Trust me. That's if you can, the mindset that's in your brain, you can't not quit. Just keep going with the flow. All I'm going to say, don't quit. Because if you quit, that means you're going to give up and you ain't going to want to try again. So if I was you, I would never quit. All right? Don't quit. Don't give up. Just do what you got to do. If you just learn and just sit and not be distracted or not get sidetracked from anyone else, then maybe you'll understand with the words that's coming out of my mouth. All right. So with that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I want to welcome you guys to this amazing opportunity. And if you want to get started with List Infinity, guys, the link will be in the description down below. So that way you'll have full access to this amazing opportunity. So without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, y'all. Peace out, man.